What's up guys, it's ThatKiddJake, and today I want to bring you my full review of Hulu, which is an online streaming service for $7.99 per month. So let's get into the pros of Hulu. So one of the first pros is it has a wide variety of good TV shows that are in their current seasons, unlike their rival Netflix. So you can watch your favorite episode of The Office from season 1 or even its current episode. Also, it does have HD playback, so if you have a supported 1080p device, you can watch your favorite TV shows in really great quality. Another pro is that it's compatible with many different devices such as Apple TV, Roku, iOS, and Android devices. And also, it does have a 1-week free trial that you can try out before you actually buy it. Although there were really great pros in Hulu, there are some cons. First up is that not every show is available, such as AMC, which is home of Mad Men, The Killing, Breaking Bad, and other many popular TV shows that a lot of people love, and it's currently not available, so you're not going to get all your favorite TV shows. Another con is that some of the beginning seasons are not available, so they might have season 4, but they might not have season 1, 2, and 3, which is a bummer because usually most people would like to start at the first episode. Another huge con for me is advertisements. Now, you get pretty much the same amount as you would with regular cable, so each probably 10 minutes there's going to be an ad depending on how long your movie or video is. Now, the last con is that there's not really a great selection of movies. I browsed it for a few seconds and there's nothing I really seen that was interesting, and comparing it to Netflix, Netflix pretty much dominates movie streaming right now. So Hulu is a pretty decent service for TV shows, and if you combine Hulu and Netflix, that would be $15 a month, which is a pretty decent price for what you get with both of those together. Although if you do have cable and you don't plan on losing it, I think you're better off with just having something like Netflix instead of Hulu, because cable pretty much does everything Hulu does, but a little bit more. So that was my quick review of Hulu. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video.